Hi guys, let's see how to freeze or unfreeze rows in Google Sheets. So what happens that if you want to freeze, what you can do, you can just hover your mouse here, and once this hand icon appears, just click and hold and then just drag it like this until the row which you want to freeze. So let's say I want to freeze the first row, I will leave it here. And now this has been freezed. Okay, this is not moving. If I want to unfreeze it, simply go there again, and once I see the hand icon, just click and hold and then drag it back, and now it's unfroze. This can be also done using the menu. So just click on view, go to freeze. Let's say you want to freeze one row, and just freeze one row. Let's say you want to freeze up to 4 rows, 2 rows, that can also be done. Let's say you want to freeze, let's say 7 rows. Just click on 7 rows, click on view, go to freeze up to row 7. So this is how it can be done. If you want to unfreeze, just simply go like this and drag it back. Thanks for watching. Please do like.